seatbelts on. Our pilots will turn off the seatbelt sign when it's safe to get up. Please leave your things where they are until we reach the gate. If your phone is close, you can now take it out of airplane mode. We will be using stairs to leave the aircraft today, so please watch your step and head directly to the terminal. Smoking is not allowed outside on the ramp area. In preparation for exiting the aircraft, please wear your face covering and wait to stand until the row in front of you has moved down the aisle. Please keep your face covering on while passing through the airport. On behalf of all the employees of Alaska Airlines, especially the two awesome pilots who got us here safely, we would like to thank you for flying with us today. We look forward to seeing you again soon, and we hope you have a great rest of your day. Once again, thank you for your patience and understanding for this landing.
That was